Let's talk about the all-wheel drive system. Unlike four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive automatically sends power to all four wheels, improving grip and stability. All-wheel drive systems use sensors to detect slip and adjust power between the front and rear wheels, helping in rain, snow, and cornering condition. It helps with great traction in all conditions, smooth handling, and no driver input needed. All-wheel drive system has a center differential to split power between the front and rear axles, or a coupling device like viscous. Follow for more car tech tips.